of Bachelor of Science in Nursing at Foundation University. So for today's video, I'm going to talk about climate change. So first, what is climate change? Climate change is a long-term change in the statistical distribution of weather patterns over periods ranging from decades to millions of years. According to the United Nations, the world's climate has changed significantly over the past century. The significant change has human influence. Using climate models, and if the trend continues, the global mean surface temperature will increase between 1 Celsius and 3.5 Celsius by 2100. We have 3 questions that we're going to reflect with.
Humans can help in certain areas to mitigate the climate change. In terms of the surface transport, walking and running, the least environmentally harmful modes of transportation, also promotes healthy lifestyle because it is also considered as an exercise. Cycling, public transport, utilization of electric buses generally emit less greenhouse gases rather than cars that used gasoline or diesel. Proper consumption of food, eating less meat and engaging to plant-based diets also mitigates climate change by reducing carbon emissions from the production of the animals. Energy consumption. Consumers must try to purchase green energy. Energy generated by electricity, occasionally gas, like solar panels or roofs that convert solar energy to electricity. Participation in climate change advocacy. Joining to organization that aims to raise awareness and take action to climate change. Recycling. Recreating waste materials into a new functional one.
Number 2 question. Is climate change preventable? Because of the negligence of human beings causing major climate change, the global warming would continue to happen for at least several more decades, if not centuries. It's because we've caused and destroyed too much. The carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases lingers in the atmosphere for hundreds of years. However, it may not be too late to just avoid or limit some of the worst effects of climate change. By mitigation and reducing the flow of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, and adaptation about learning to live with it. In the end of the day, it's still our decision of what happens next, and it is our life that is at stake. Also, this concerns the welfare of future generations.
The society and the government plays a vital role in mitigating the hazard caused by climate change because of its authority and influence to the people. Seawalls, in order to regulate storm surges and avoid sea level rise, government must establish seawalls and order the people living on vulnerable coasts to transfer. Other public works, like sewers, bridges, and aqueducts, to handle flash floods. Seminars and trainings for public health professionals for increased health impacts and emerging diseases, also protocols in times of disasters. Wildlife, developing wildlife conservation plans and migration corridors to protect endangered species. Establishments for energy supply that aims to conserve and even generate energy.